Phishing is one of the most effective attack vectors used by hackers, and today I'm going to show you how to do it like a pro. I'll break down phishing attacks step by step, how attackers craft convincing emails, clone websites, and even automate their campaigns. Stick around to the end. But remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Hacking without consent is illegal. Now we have our terminal here. So the tool that we use for this task is the social engineering toolkit. You can launch this by typing sudo set toolkit. Enter. So Kali will ask for your password, then you type your password here. So password, enter. Now within some seconds we get our set toolkit line. So we have some options here. The first one is social engineering attacks. Second one is penetration testing. Third one is third party models. We want to do social engineering attack, so we choose option 1. So select type 1, click on enter. We have spear phishing attack vectors here, website attack vectors, infectious media generator, create a payload and a listener. So I will choose the second one, that's the website attack vectors. Then select the credential harvester attack method. Since we want to harvest for user credentials, so type 3, enter. Now we have some options here. The first option is website templates. Here you already have templates that you can use. Site cloner and custom import. So I'll choose site cloner. I want to clone my own website. You ask you for your IP address here. So you can type your IP address, but I'll use my local host as my IP address. So I'll type localhost here. Click on enter. Now you have to enter the URL that you want to clone. So my URL I want to clone is I want to clone GitHub login page. So like github.com/login. This is the GitHub login page that I want to clone. After typing it, you just click on enter. Now we have deployed our fake login page. You can send this link to any of our victims, and the moment that the victim clicks on the link, he or she will be asked to input his password. So let's try accessing our localhost and see. Open browser, let's type localhost, enter. The moment we access our IP address, you see you get a GitHub login page. So let's try logging in with any credentials. So let's say John, and the password is Johnny. Click on sign in. Now let's go back to our terminal. Now it's game over here. As you can see, we have the username and the password here. But this is not the right way to do it. Sending your IP address to the victim to make you the hacker to expose you, because your IP address, you don't have to send your IP address. So you need a secure tunnel, or what people call port forwarding, so that it will work outside your network. So here we use a tool called no key. With this no key tool, you don't need to register or create accounts. All you need to open your terminal, type SSH-capital R there, and the port number 80 is to your IP address. So that's the localhost. Localhost is to the port number again, 80 space and no key at localhost. That's the IP address .run. So let's click on enter. The no key will generate a special link for us. So we will send this link to our victim. This link will work outside our network, but with the IP address, if we send the IP address to someone outside the network, it won't work. So now let's copy this link. Copy link address. Go to our terminal again. Let me close this tab. Add new tab and paste this link there. The moment I paste this link, I'll get the same GitHub login page again. So this is the GitHub login page again. Let me try. Let's say George, and the password is you. Let me click on sign in. Let's go back to our terminal, and we have the George here, the username and the password. So this is how you can fish or harvest users credentials. This is a simple way to do it. But as you can see, the no key link is not it's suspicious. When you send to a victim, it will not be easy to deceive someone. So that's why you need to mask this link. So we use a tool called maskfish. You can just go to their GitHub page. This is their GitHub page, maskfish. You just click on code, copy the link and clone it to your device. I already have maskfish installed on my device, so I won't waste my time cloning it. So let me add new tab here. Let me navigate to the part that I have the maskfish installed. So cd maskfish, right? So cd desktop/maskfish. This is the destination that I have my maskfish tool installed. So maskfish. So all you do is to launch the maskfish tool, maskfish.sh. They will ask you to paste the URL. That's the phishing URL. So you go and copy the no key link, copy link address here. Then you will paste it here. Enter. Now they will ask you to add some words that like the domain that you want to clone. So the domain is https-github, that's GitHub page, be like github.com. Here you won't add the login page, you are just typing the domain name. So https https log github like github.com. Now enter. So they will ask you to add some words. It will be like, let's say github.com, then let's say get free stars. Enter. Now there is our phishing link. So if you send this link to like your victim, this will be more deceivable than other than using the no killing, because for this one the user will see the https github, so he or she will think that it's a secure thing. Let's copy the address again, open our browser, add new tab here, enter. Yes. So the moment that the user opens this link, he or she will get the GitHub login page again. Now let's also try using some different logins and see your name and see the password is test. Let's sign in. Now let's go back to our terminal, the social engineering. As you can see, game over. We have the username and the password here. So this is a simple way that you can do social engineering or face for user credentials. Stay safe. If this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more cybersecurity content, and drop a comment on what topic I should cover next. Stay safe online.